Hello everyone, my name is Aparna. I am a student of ICD Kollam. I have been selected as a probationary officer at the South Indian Bank, and I also have been listed in the ESIC MTS examination. I did my post-graduation in English literature, and after finishing my post-graduation, I wanted to make a stable career as soon as possible, and I understood that banking sector is a sector where all the recruitment processes are faster. Later on, I inquired about the best coaching center for bank examinations, and I came to know about ICD Kollam, and I joined here on December 2020. Even though COVID-19 hindered our offline classes, we were able to connect to our teachers and study throughout the lockdown sessions with the help of the online platform of Udyog Seva. Even though COVID-19 hindered our offline classes, we were able to connect to the teachers and continue our studies through the online platform of ICD known as the Udyog Seva. Udyog Seva is a wonderful platform where students are always able to review their progress through various mock tests, quizzes, recorded as well as live classes. With the help and the guidance of our mentors, Jaykrishnan sir, Anushree ma'am, Shamim sir, Ramesh sir, and Krishnan sir, I was able to improve a lot from an ordinary student. I would specifically like to mention that even though I was an English graduate, my quantitative aptitude was not that much strong, but ICD's videos has really helped me to strengthen my base in quantitative aptitude. Apart from this, reading newspaper on a daily basis and doing mock tests and its analysis as well has helped me a lot to improve my scores to a great extent. So what I want to tell to the new aspirants is that consistency is the key. So it is very easy to quit in between, but it takes much effort to continue your hard work diligently and be consistent. So all the best for everyone for the upcoming examinations. Thank you so much.